I just wanted to show you guys how I made a AUG. It's actually chambered in, it's a Ruger 1022. It's chambered in 22 long rifle. And the design came from Thingiverse. I think the designer's name was Mussy. And he himself said that he had never made one, or he made it, but he never tried it to see if it worked. But what I did was I bought the Ruger bolt, and I had this Marlin Model 60 barrel laying around, and I improvised and made this bearing bushing and glued it, epoxied it into this upper, which was designed by Aussie. Are we cool yet? It's a 3D printed upper receiver. This part is 3D printed. That's the trigger rod. This part is 3D printed. Everything, pretty much everything you see is 3D printed except for the barrel, the bearing bushing, and the bolt. Even the magazine release is 3D printed. This is Muzzy's AUG design. Everything you see here is 3D printed as well. Look how thick that plastic is. These inner discs, there's one here and there's one about here where this bolt is. And what happens is those discs have holes in them. They're 3D printed, you can see right through it. The barrel sits in those. Snaps into place. And it becomes, hold on, I gotta put the pins back in. This isn't fast by any means, but I mean, to buy a Ruger 1022 is $400, and you're gonna have the plain Jane wood stock. It's gonna be just regular old 1022. It's not gonna be a bullpup at all. And I gave what? I gave $80 for the bolt, $20 for the barrel, $20 for the magazine, which I 3D printed a piece onto it so that it doesn't look stupid in the stock. And this end, if you'll notice, has a notch right there for the Marlin Model 60 sight. I just covered that up with a 3D printed fake suppressor. And I got a bullpup for $200. Cycles, it shoots, it's accurate, it's very heavy, but it's cool. For $200, I got a bullpup Ruger 1022. Thanks to Muzzy and his design. Muzzy, if you watch this, you should really finish it. It's a really cool gun.